Welcome to Rome Actually YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how Rome is preparing for the Jubilee of Hope 2025. One of the measures the Roman authorities are taking to face the crowds and protect also the monuments of Rome during Jubilee is limiting access to some landmarks. For now, the first one they are trying this is the Trevi Fountain. Now there is this walkway. This is a temporary walkway because it's they emptied completely the fountain because they are cleaning and restoring, and they installed this walkway close to the on top of the fountain, close to the statues. So when you walk, you are actually gonna be closer than you would usually be when the Trevi Fountain is fully functioning. This is a temporary walkway. They are gonna remove once the restoring process is done. But after that, they are thinking of installing another walkway that will be like the new way of seeing the Trevi Fountain, and it will have a limited access. For now, the queue starts coming from Via della Stamperia, and probably it will be the same with the new walkway, with the future one. And now it opens at 9 in the morning and closes at 9 in the evening. People, they enter, they walk, and they have 30 minutes to see the statues and taking your pictures and selfies and whatever you want to do. For now, they are cleaning it. There is no water in the fountain, so it's not allowed to toss the coin. They put a pool with water where you can toss where tourists can toss the coin. This has been obviously criticized by many media, especially foreign media, because they say that it's tacky and not really a good taste. But the mayor of Rome explained that it's because they are doing this also to protect the workers, because otherwise the coins would hit the workers cleaning the fountain. Another thing they are thinking about introducing for the Trevi Fountain, hasn't been confirmed yet, is paid entrance. It's not going to be expensive. They are saying some €1 or maybe €2, and it will be at the beginning of the queue. They are not probably going to do ticket office or vending machines here for the tickets, and you will have to buy your ticket online. Still, it hasn't been confirmed, so we also don't know about the ways this is going to work. This measure of limiting access to the Trevi Fountain, it's only the first one in Rome, but they are thinking of extending. They want to see how this is going to work, and they are thinking about extending this measure also to other very busy and very crowded monuments in Rome. Another way Rome is preparing for the Jubilee next year is cleaning and restoring the main monuments. There are many monuments, statues and fountains that right now are covered with the scaffolding in Rome. So who's visiting right now probably, and he's in Rome for the first time, probably it's going to be a little bit disappointed, because many monuments, also some of the most famous ones, are under restoration and covered. But during next year, during Jubilee year, they will be wonderful, and Rome will shine even more. However, now, even if they are covered with the scaffolding, if you go close, they left some windows opened where you can see the works and also how all the process is going. In fact, you can already start seeing how beautiful they are cleaning. Let's go see. This is the fountain and the obelisk in front of the Pantheon, and it looks just gorgeous. They've been cleaning for months and months. Like many other landmarks, also the fountains of Piazza Navona are currently covered with the scaffoldings, and they are cleaning. They've been covered for the whole summer, but we are seeing right now, it seems like they are removing some parts of the scaffolding, so probably they are almost done. It's in the plan for the beginning of the Jubilee, so December, they will be finished. This is the Four Rivers fountain, so the central fountain in Piazza Navona, and it's covered with the scaffolding, but also the one Fontana del Nettuno and the northern edge, and also Fontana del Moro here in front of the Pamphili Palace. It's still covered with the scaffolding. We are mid-November. Another measure that's been taken for the Jubilee in Rome, but also in other parts of Italy, is the increase of police and security control. They are in the street. You will see more officers in the street, and they also ask for documents, identity documents. So this is a completely normal process. If they ask you for your ID, don't panic or be worried, because they ask everyone. They've also asked me in many stations, and it's just a normal routine. Here we are in Via Ottaviano. Via Ottaviano is the road that connects the Vatican, Piazza Risorgimento, to Ottaviano metro station in Viale Giulio Cesare in the Prati neighborhood. Via Ottaviano is in the end of Prati and in the beginning of Vatican and then Trionfale neighborhood. As you can see, now we are in at the beginning of November 2024. As you can see, it's full of work in progress, because they are completely redoing the whole street. It's in the plans of the local municipality to make it fully pedestrian. So when it's finished, it's going to be a jewel, because it connects to the Vatican and because it's going to be a fully pedestrian lined up with lovely shops. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and visit romeashley.com for more tips and guides.